Welcome to our list of the top 23 things to do in London. London is a city steeped with history, culture, and intriguing adventures. There's always something fresh and intriguing to explore, whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned tourist. In this detailed film, we'll take you on a tour around some of London's must-see sights and hidden jewels. So take a seat, relax, and prepare to be inspired. The British Museum was founded in 1753 and is one of the world's oldest and biggest museums. This collection has about 8 million artifacts, spanning 2 million years of human history, ranging from ancient Egyptian mummies to the Rosetta Stone and Parthenon sculptures, among other things. The museum is free to enter. However, certain special exhibits need tickets, which may be bought in advance online to avoid the wait. The Tower of London is a medieval stronghold and palace situated on the north bank of the River Thames. The tower, which was built by William the Conqueror in 1066, has functioned as a royal residence, a jail, a mint, and a treasury throughout the years. During a guided tour, visitors may view the royal jewels, the White Tower, the Tower Ravens, and learn about the tower's history. To prevent lengthy lines, tickets may be bought online in advance. The London Eye is a massive Ferris wheel situated on the south bank of the River Thames. At a height of 135 meters, 443 feet, it provides panoramic views of the city and has become one of London's most popular attractions. To prevent lengthy lines, we suggest purchasing your tickets in advance online, particularly during high season. Buckingham Palace. From Queen Victoria's reign in 1837, Buckingham Palace has served as the official home of the British Queen. During the summer months, visitors may observe the changing of the guard ceremony, tour the staterooms, and admire the palace's exquisite grounds. To prevent lengthy lines, tickets may be bought online in advance. The Houses of Parliament, often known as the Palace of Westminster, is the seat of the UK government and home to the renowned clock tower known as Big Ben. Visitors to the palace may take guided tours, observe debates in the Houses of Commons and Lords, and visit the ancient Westminster Hall. Tickets may be bought in advance online, and security checks can take up to an hour, so arrive early. Tate Modern. Tate Modern is a modern art museum situated on the south bank of the Thames in the old Bankside Power Station. The museum's collection contains works by well-known painters such as Picasso, Rothko, and Warhol, and entrance is free. However, certain special exhibits may need tickets. The National Gallery. Located in Trafalgar Square, the National Gallery has one of the world's best collections of European art. The collection contains works by prominent painters like Van Gogh, Leonardo da Vinci, and Botticelli, and dates from the 13th to the 20th centuries. The museum is free to enter. However, certain special exhibits may need tickets. Covent Garden. Covent Garden is a historic market in London's West End. It's a terrific spot to buy souvenirs, eat amazing street cuisine, and listen to live music and see street entertainment. While the market is open every day, individual stores and eateries may have varying hours. Camden Market. Camden Market is a bustling market in North London. It's a terrific spot to look for one-of-a-kind clothing, accessories, and art. There are also live music performances and street food sellers. The market is open every day, although weekends are very crowded. The British Library. With over 170 million objects in its collection, including books, manuscripts, maps, and more, the British Library is the world's biggest library. Visitors may study actual manuscripts by notable writers like Shakespeare and Jane Austen, as well as explore the library's displays, attend seminars and events. St. Paul's Cathedral. St. Paul's Cathedral is a well-known landmark on the London skyline. The cathedral, designed by Sir Christopher Wren in the 17th century, boasts a beautiful interior and amazing views from the Golden Gallery. Visitors may take guided tours, attend services, and learn about the history and design of the cathedral. The Tower Bridge. The Tower Bridge is one of London's most iconic monuments, and tourists may enjoy panoramic views of the city by walking over the bridge's high-level walkways. The bridge also features an exhibition about its history and construction. The Natural History Museum. Located in South Kensington, the Natural History Museum is a museum of natural history and science. It has about 80 million specimens and artifacts in its collection, including dinosaur fossils, minerals, and specimens from all around the globe. The museum is free to enter. However, certain special exhibits may need tickets. The Victoria and Albert Museum is the world's biggest museum dedicated to ornamental arts and design. The collection comprises pottery, fashion, furniture, and other items from over 5,000 years of human creation. The museum is free to enter. However, certain special exhibits may need tickets. The National Portrait Gallery. Located in Trafalgar Square, the National Portrait Gallery has a collection of portraits of prominent British personalities, ranging from kings and queens to actors and musicians. The museum is free to enter. However, certain special exhibits may need tickets. The Science Museum. Located in South Kensington, the Science Museum is a science and technology museum. It has nearly 300,000 artifacts in its collection, ranging from steam engines to space rockets. Visitors may explore the museum's displays, listen to lectures and events, and even see a 3D movie. The Royal Opera House is situated in Covent Garden and is home to the Royal Ballet and the Royal Opera. Visitors may watch concerts, take guided tours, and learn about the history and design of the building. The Churchil War Rooms. The Churchil War Rooms is a museum in the basement of the Cabinet War Rooms, where Churchill and his administration worked throughout World War II. Visitors may go around the bunker and see displays about Churchill's life and impact. The Shard. The Shard is the highest building in Western Europe and is located in London Bridge. The view from the Shard, the building's observation deck, offers panoramic views of the city. The National Theatre. The National Theatre has 3 theatres and is situated on the south bank of the River Thames. Visitors may attend concerts, take guided tours, and study the architecture of the structure. Kew Gardens. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, Kew Gardens has a wide variety of plants and trees from all over the globe, including a beautiful glasshouse constructed by architect Lord Norman Foster. Guests may stroll around the gardens, visit exhibits and activities, and even walk along a treetop walkway. The West End. The West End of London is well known for its theatres and musicals, and it's a terrific spot to see a performance. Guests may purchase tickets in advance online or at the Tickets kiosk in Leicester Square for last-minute savings. A Thames River cruise is an excellent opportunity to explore London from a fresh perspective. Guests may select between a short sightseeing cruise and a dinner cruise with live entertainment. There are many additional sites and activities to explore in this bustling city, in addition to these greatest things to do in London. London offers something for everyone, from the vibrant markets of Camden and Notting Hill to the ancient palaces and museums. To minimize disappointment while visiting London, it's a good idea to conduct some research ahead of time and buy tickets for popular sites and events. London is a city that tourists will want to come to again and again since there is so much to see and do. We hope you've liked our list of the top 25 things to do in London. London definitely offers something for everyone, from visiting the city's ancient sites and museums to enjoying the bustling culture and entertainment. We advise you to arrange your own trip to this magnificent city and experience its numerous charms. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration and recommendations.